Let's make pizzas. I'm making a chicken pesto caprese.
I'm making a stuffed crust margarita pizza. I'm using sharp cheddar and a little bit of mozzarella. And roll it. Roll it and pinch. Roll, pinch. Roll, pinch.
I didn't want a stuffed crust, but I want a thick crust.
Extra, extra, extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle this in. So mix it around. You want your face down and ass up into the pan. Right here. Boom. Fill up that whole pan. It's gonna look like this.
All right, so you're gonna cook your dough pretty good, and then we're gonna flip it after it cooks through.
Throwing some mushrooms on.
Throwing some more tomatoes on there.
Mozzarella. Couple tomatoes. Some basil leaves.
And some basil. Oh my god.
That is so good though.